Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to build apps using the ChatGPT no coding guide. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Then here, decide what type of app you want to build, such as task manager, chatbot, or simple business app. Then here, ask the ChatGPT to generate your app idea by typing, create a simple app idea with features and user flow. And after that, use the ChatGPT to generate a step-by-step instruction by asking, guide me to build this app using no-code tools. And the ChatGPT will suggest a platforms like Bubble, Glide, Adalo, and more, and follow the instruction to design your app interface and features using those no-code tools. You can also ask the ChatGPT to create an app content, UI text, user instruction, and once your app is ready, test it and publish it on the platform you used. And that's it. That's how you build apps using ChatGPT without coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.